What's up, baby dolls? Welcome to Crypto's Juiciest News. Today we are looking at a $67,000 Bitcoin, but Ethereum is still in the poopy town, friends. Now, this is the Bitcoin price. If you notice here, I still have these markdowns, 22%, 20%, 21%, 23%. Now, up here, what does that mark? Well, it marked a narrative reset. So whatever the narratives going around were, they seem to have just reset every time that happened, and it washed away those narratives. And even though Bitcoin's price continued after that, those stories that were captivating everyone, they just ran out of buyers. So what were the most recent ones that we saw, friends? We saw this Solana craze dog we've had up here. We saw also Coinbase season. We also saw AI, more deep in stuff. Okay, these are groups of coins out here. But don't forget, man, your whole goal is to buy low, sell high. So just because you had a narrative that encompassed you, for example, meme coins, doesn't mean your meme coin is necessarily expensive. It could still be cheap. For example, on PulseChain, I know a shitload of them are still cheap, nowhere near their full potential, because we know how powerful and sticky the community is there. And ultimately, at the end of the day, that's what we're here to play for, friends. We're here just to play for the buy low, sell high mantra, which is basically being early. Now, friends, the ETH BTC ratio is still getting clobbered, right? It's still getting clobbered, making this low. But I want to share with you, friends, I know I have a lot of PulseChain community members who are watching, and I know it feels isolated. Everyone's like, Richard Hart, you failed. You did this, you did that. Yeah, man, friends, let me show you something from a crypto billionaire named Crypto Cobie calling out Vitalik, the actual 4,000 IQ alien himself. And this is going to shock you. So Vitalik makes a post, friends. Vitalik makes a post. He goes, yeah, I am really proud that Ethereum does not have any culture of trying to prevent people from speaking their minds, even when they have a very negative feeling toward major things in the protocol or ecosystem. Some wave the ideal of open disclosure, open discourse as a flag. Some take it seriously. So you see that, friends, that's Vitalik saying that. Now, friends, Crypto Cobie, oh man, Cobie's going after, friends, you can't go after Vitalik. Whoa, let's check this out. That's good. On that note, how do you feel about Ethereum Foundation core developers or researchers taking life-changing money packages from projects built on Ethereum to become advisors when those projects may have conflicted incentives with Ethereum, either now or in the future? For example, purely theoretically, of course, let's say Igon Layer. Dun, dun, dun. How about that, friends? Let's play some nice pump music. That was... wow. Friends, I knew it was going to crumble. I just didn't think these things would happen so fast, because ultimately, the path leads to meme coins. Just let you know, oh, Sammy, what's going on? Path leads to meme coins. Map out your logic. You go, okay, you aren't catering to the culture because you are funding expensive tech. The expensive tech, the tokens are useless, but they're all owned by the insiders who are trying to tell everybody that these things are expensive. Now let's move forward. These things are expensive. They're worth, the average coin is 2.8 billion fully diluted today at the start of a bull market. Come on, bro. You're 2.8 billion today. What are you trying to sell us when you're expensive? So that's what's all happening, which means there's a gap in the market, and they go, all right, expensive stuff, useless. Your tech is actually trash. We don't need your tech, to be honest. Restaking, yeah, you're cool. You're marginally cool. You're not $300 billion valuation for all the coins in a euphoria bull market. Cool. You're not that cool. You're a bit cool, not that cool. I think you're overestimating yourself by 10x, right? In 10x in size, or 10x more relevancy. So the people go, guess what? We can't build your tech, and your tech is trash. Let's build a community. Meme coins. Let's build let's put culture on the blockchain. That's pretty much what's been happening. Obviously, the winners are floating to the top. The losers aren't. Okay, if you're the 17th cat coin, sorry, you're not going to make it. If you're the 15th blue dog coin on Coinbase, you also aren't going to make it, friends. So it's crazy, right? Just to see Cobie call these out in real time. Now, friends, this is Cobie. Cobie is a darling. Cobie is a darling of crypto. Okay, this is Cobie and his sidekick. So this was Mr. Ledger. All right, it's pretty much here he is here. He's a darling of the industry because he's a very good forecaster, very good, deep. He's OG Bitcoin, man, like 2012. Yeah, he's billionaire, man. He's billionaire, made the up only thing. But, they got him with FTX. Oh, man, that made him They got him with FTX. He took the sponsorship, didn't need it, took it anyway. You got a billionaire, bro. Why do you need... man, that's so... That I can tell that kills him on the inside. He's honestly, I can tell, man, he's like, F this whole industry, F it. The one exchange he trusted, the one ended up being Soy Bankman-Fried and the Ponzi stuff. That's why, friends, your friend Somi, right, back then was considered a peanut brain heretic. Right now, I'm just considered a peanut brain. I was telling everybody, I don't trust a soy drinker. I don't trust him. I said, thank you for bringing a lot of people. I don't trust him, man. He drinks soy. Have you seen his man boobs? Don't trust anybody with man boobs that size, by the way. His puffy nipples poking through the shirt, no deal for me. Friends, I got a lot of flack. Because who am I? And trust me, I understand. Who am I? I'm not bringing millions and millions of people into crypto and walking around on stage, shaking Tom Brady's willy with everyone else and going like, yeah, cool. I wasn't doing that. So back then in 2021, I'm considered like a peanut brain heretic. And I just said, look, you're right. Halfway, I'm just a peanut brain. That's how the cookie crumbled, friends. He also goes on to share thoughts as this market continues to rinse sideways, friends. So, crypto market, right, it is still digesting itself as the weekend progresses. Many crypto influencers continue to call the top on meme coins during this weekend. So it is, friends, I'm going to link you more into Cobie stuff now because it's related, okay? A lot of influencers, okay? A lot of influencers this weekend, for some reason, they're all coming out saying, the top is in for meme coins. They're all in. I told you the top's in. They're all bragging about it now. And I'm like, oh, man, it's crazy because there's a lot of you calling the top of meme coins. Now, you might say, well, what about the racist coins? Yeah, man, they're gone. Okay, they're gone. They might come back later on and be more racist or less racist. Hopefully no racism, but it is what it is. These people, though, they're all mid-curved. They're all mid-curved. Friends, I know it's obvious if you sit on the sidelines and you can see everyone like I do. Like, oh, I'm not a genius. I would have that position too. It's rational to think meme coins are extreme risk taking and they're done. It is very rational to think that. The problem is markets don't move off rationality like that, okay? It's a game of winners and losers, insiders and outsiders, early and late. That's the game of crypto. Guess what? The strong hands are still in meme coins, okay? Let's continue with Cobie's words. Look what he says, friends. He says, this is his post. Funny that the Web3 thesis of users' retention will be higher due to loyalty earned from sharing in the upside of the enterprise they give value to was actually directionally incorrect by 180 degrees. I know it's a lot of words, Sal. He's basically saying in crypto, they thought if we reward users with points and tokens, airdropping stuff, if we give them the coins, it will build loyalty because they keep using the chain. They keep farming an airdrop, Igon Layer, Starkware, all these other people. But they keep doing that, right? And they will be branded in their minds to use that chain. And they would continue to buy it and support it. And then Cobie says, in fact, widespread Web3 incentives is a driver of disloyalty as well as user growth for competitors, since it's nearly always financially optimal to use the new and shiny pre-token product just in case. Basically, what he said is, because, I'm now translating for you. Okay, your friend Simon here wearing a Pokemon Ash Ketchum hat. Okay, keep your back straight, please. Make sure your slippers are very fluffy, Highland Bulls. Okay, and I am talking serious, friends. We are talking about the cute Highland Bulls. All right, look them up, very, very cute. So what I'm translating for you is these tech stuff. Remember, friends, there's a scale. You can focus 100% on community or 100% on tech. Okay, this tech stuff is all tech. There's no community in there. There's no memes. There's no fun. There's nothing. There's no breaking the barrier. None of that. Okay, they're all full tech. So what they thought would happen is if people use the chain and coins, they'll like them. Instead, what's happened is people want to use it early. Then it starts to fade away as other competition emerges. So then people go to the other tech, and then the other tech, and then the other tech, and they just keep farming everything in early. And they're like, oh, we're done with you. We don't care. There is no user retention. No one cares. No one really thinks they're early. They're using it early to get the airdrops. They don't actually think they're early. Okay, they don't think they're early. They think they're early to Pepe. Pepe was 0 a year ago. Now it's at 4 billion market cap. They think they're early. Go talk to people in Pepe. They think they're early. You know why? Because it's not 100 billion market cap yet. Because of the ribbiting. Because of the trumpeting. Okay, because of the meme coin awakening. They think they're early. That's all that matters. Are they early? I don't know. I hope so. I think they are. But I don't really know that they think they're early. That's all that matters. They're not giving up. Landwolf, think they're early. We're all in Landwolf. 20 million market cap. Joke. Complete joke. Should be way higher based off the Twitter spaces, the community, the memes. The Telegram, by the way, hit 5,800 members as we had the recent Twitter spaces, friends, just like an hour ago. Congratulations. 5-time rug survivor. Showing you, man. I don't want to leave. I'll just tell you right now, friends, if I just sold all Landwolf and left, where am I going? Where am I gonna take that meme coin store of value? Where's the other community? Get me the idea that I'm early. Can't compete. You see? Meme coins, 100% community. Tech coins, 100% tech. All right. Of course, you need a balance. What's the balance? We don't know yet. I'll just tell you right now, in a bull market, the community wins. In a bull market, because you know you're all here for one cycle anyway. These tech coins, they don't think they know they're here for one cycle. They know they'll get copy pasted. We can even see in more Twitter replies, right? Adam Cochran. So Cocky says, it doesn't help that Gensler's chilling effect protects people from revenue sharing. So this is a mid-curve thing. He's a smart guy. He's probably made millions and millions of dollars, probably $10 million net worth plus. People will use the disguise of Gary Gensler, the semen demon. They'll say, oh, the regulations are making it trash. Nope. I guarantee if Gary Gensler goes on stage and goes, crypto are not securities. If he goes out and says that, you'll probably have this knee-jerk reaction into tech stuff. And then the market will fade back into the meme coins. Because the market's choosing. You know how we know, friends? Because in jurisdictions where it's outside of the USA, all of this stuff is playing out anyway. Okay, you can't fight the market. It is what it is. Now, it would be nice if it was the other way around, then you just buy the best tech. Okay, this is cool tech. Then they go up only. They don't go up only, friends. They don't. Okay. Crypto Cobie. I don't see how that would change anything anyway. Get the Uber airdrop. Keep getting dollars from Uber. Still switch service so you can get tokens and money from competitors too. New and shiny. Now, friends, this is not just related to crypto airdrops itself. Okay, this is related to basically cycle 1, 2, and 3 narrative coins. Look what else he says here, friends. He says, isn't that mainly because the underlying enterprise or products have no real use case? All else being equal, if crypto could find a product people would use without a token, wouldn't sharing in the upside concept actually lead to a higher attention? And of course, agree on the latter point. Mr. Cobie, if you can use Uber or you can use a slightly shittier version, even worse, pickup times are more expensive. But Uber's airdrop happened 4 years ago and Shit Taxi hasn't done one yet, then in my opinion, you just use Shit Taxi to farm the airdrop and hope you get all of your rides repaid by the token. He's given everyone what I've been telling. He's literally just said it right here. Everything I've been talking about for a freaking year. Everything. Telling you, well, your community thing product today ages. There is a life cycle. Friends, meme coins are the only self-aware sector in crypto that actually admits there's a life cycle. They admit it. They admit, yeah, we're just here for a cycle anyway. We're just here for a cycle. And we know it, and everyone else is lying because there's been 1,000 experiments run. They're the only sector to admit it. You know everything else statistically is only here for one cycle. Technology unicorn, friends, Bitcoin, Ethereum, stable coins, pretty much stable coins, but you can't capture the upside unless it's PDI, you know what I mean? We all know they go to zero. If they don't go to zero, all right, they drop 95%, you become irrelevant, your opportunity cost gets destroyed. Okay, so your opportunity cost, you get smashed, and we all know it. And your growth rate slows down too much to make it worth your while. Look at this. It feels like if the regulations allowed for a pass-through of profits, then older projects with cash flow could catch a bid because of better fundamentals. Absent fundamentals or attention is the only thing that drives flows, making new shiny thing better than the old. So this person's basically saying, well, if you could just get the cash flow into people, they would just appreciate it more. Friends, there's already cash flow generating products in crypto. People aren't buying them, man. They're still poop. They have a base value. They're not cycle winners. They're not even close. Cobie, yeah, probably better for market dynamics of the tokens themselves. But the incentive structure for users is to basically use every competitor in any category instead of picking one, and then stop using them after the airdrop to allocate more usage to the future airdrops businesses. Now we can parallel that to this. When you are farming a chain, okay, you are participating in an act to try get the publicly available project tokens for free. Now, unfortunately, they only give out 5%. 95% they keep the coins, okay? It's actually 90%, but of the 10% they hand out, okay, half of it's insiders anyway. They know the airdrop, they know what to do, all the insiders and the founders. Why? Because it's liquid tokens. It's the liquid part, so it makes sense for their incentives. They're like, hey, you know what? I've scammed people so much, I better scam them even more, because if I don't get these tokens, then I can't dump with these retail who are going to give it out to. Very, very bad. Very, very bad. This is what's happening all over crypto. All right. So pretty much these people, after they've got their token, they're like, oh, well, I'm done. I'm done. So effectively, what they've done is they've performed an act to get a token, which is expensive. And what Toby's saying, because you start expensive, you dump it, and then you go just give your attention to the other new thing. So you can get another expensive token to dump. Expensive dump, expensive dump. That's it. Another way to say this is all these tech projects are extremely overvalued. All of them. All of them extremely overvalued. Otherwise, you wouldn't have this problem. You would not have this problem. Overvalued, friends. Also, it also means they gave themselves too many coins. They gave the insiders too many coins. $10 billion fully diluted. Friends, top 20 projects of tech in crypto. I've already showed you a video about it yesterday. The average is 2.8 billion fully diluted. The average. What a joke. What an effing joke. You're telling me at the start of a bull market, we haven't even seen retail in yet, the start, the average is 2.8 billion market cap for a new coin. Where's the journey? Where's the success? Where are the memes? None. Nothing. Okay, no journey, sweet. No engagement, expensive price. Why is retail going to make this mistake third time in a row and go buy your expensive coins? They're not, friends, they're not. That's what I'm telling you. Yes, I'm a peanut brain. I don't know anything, but I'm just kind of telling you, people are kind of smart and they're figuring it out that their only chance of making it is to buy into a community early, otherwise known as a meme coin, otherwise known as community culture. They're buying cheap coins. That's it. They're getting stuff. It's just the market working itself out. It's the market working themselves out. When they mint themselves all the coins, they're putting the price up this high, by the way. They're putting the price up very, very high, okay? When they mint themselves all the coins. And the market's saying, yeah, I don't buy into that. So I've explained it here, right? Crypto users are not loyal to most crypto projects, even after sharing on the upside of the token price of growth of being early, because it's not enough. They don't share enough. Also, hint, hint, do you want to know why Tang Gang coins do well, friends? I've explained to you. It's because they put a shitload of the supply, all right, sorry to use the S word, supply. They put a lot of it at the start, which completely flips your paradigm of crypto right now, which the world we see is, all the insiders have the coins and they know they're going to pump it later on, so they give breadcrumbs to the people at the start because they're like, hey, I'm going to work for you in the future, so why should I give you all the coins now? I'll give you the coins at 50x valuations higher later on because I'm doing a lot of the work. Yes, that's humans doing they're always looking after themselves, right? And that's unfortunately how it appears in crypto. But with Tang Gang, they're like, guess what? We're going to promote this. We're going to shill it. And guess what? We're handing it out to you. Now, obviously, they're promises. You don't know. By the way, Tang Gang don't make any promises. No coins make promises. Some of them do. But I'm just not Tang Gang in particular, friends. It's just an example recently tonight because there's been a lot of flair and flavor relating it to recent narratives. Yeah, they start low. DickWifButt low. HOA low. Na. Peach. Brick rolls. Pear. It's a pear market. You've seen all of them, friends. It's all. Shitan. All right. You've seen all of them. You've seen them. Start low. Big supply. They chew. Everyone gets in. All right, sweet. Got a community now. Let's go. The resistance. See? That's pretty much, that's the opposite, flipped on its head from what they normally do. What they normally do is they keep all the coins, they do the thin supply, and do it out there. Now, this is pretty much what's been happening in crypto. The crowd, friends, was wrong. The crowd's been wrong. All the suit-wearing VC influencers, they got it all wrong too. All right, no loyalty. They keep going for the new shiny thing. And right now, there is no crypto unicorn tech, friends. Let's look at this. More juicy news. So far, no crypto unicorn technology is out this year. We all await. But if it doesn't come, then probably people will do the end of times rally into meme extreme speculation. This is your friend Tommy. Yeah, isn't that what's left? Friends, I'll explain it for you. Layer 1 chains of cities, okay? Who makes a lot of money? The guy who builds the first hospital, the first school, the first bank, right? The first restaurant. All right, you built all of those. Now what? In crypto, we're in a denial phase. We all think we've still got more hospitals to build and schools to build. We've already done them, man. What's left? The casino. We're now building Vegas. And everyone's in denial. They're like, no. What do you mean we're building Vegas? There's so much more to go. Oh, Vegas is big, friends. It's really big. And it's getting more silly than you can imagine. Vegas is here. And there's a red light district. And like, that's what everyone thought. No, we're stopping here. No. Then there's another Vegas on that Vegas. And then, the red light district, now it's a blue light district, friends. You know what I mean? There's one of every color. There's everything going on, friend. There's everything that's going, no. Everyone's watching it from afar. That's the tech people. That's the tech-focused utility coin people. They're watching, oh my gosh, Vegas is getting so big. And guess what? The tourists just keep coming. They're coming and they're choosing. Friends, when people come to Vegas, are they going to visit the Vegas hospital? Do you guys even have a hospital there? I wouldn't know. I know you've got big fat casinos and big fat booties dancing on stripper poles. I know you have that. I don't know. Do you guys have a hospital over there? Obviously, you know what I mean? That's just letting you know. What do you think about it? Just showing you. That's crypto. Landwolf. DickWifButt. Peach. No. The P-Dye mystery. All of these things is the casino. It grows and grows and grows. Everyone's in a denial phase, you see? Until a new technology comes around. So they're going to keep choosing the new shiny thing. So that's why, friends. Translation. Your friend Somi, who you might be watching right now, has made 100 plus videos and posts to teach you about narrative ages, cycle 1, 2, 3. So this is another way to say that, friends. Meme coins, while being laughed at, spend 100% of their time and focus at user retention and community growth. Remember the scale. Tech over here and then community growth. Meme coins just throw up memes and culture and tribal gathering rituals, friends. By the way, big companies do this as well. Pepsi always try to market themselves as like the sexy drink. So friends, they're not hiring your friend Somi to put on a wig, lipstick, and a coconut bra and like dance around and say I'm sexy. They don't do that. What they do is they go, what's the meme? Who's the sex symbol of young people right now? And they'll find whoever that is and they put them with the bottle. You see that? Meme coins do the same thing. That's why they're so effective, because they're actually doing what sells products. However, friends, meme coins don't have a long-term plan. But so far, every crypto founder and project long-term plan has failed, except for a few technology unicorns. Bitcoin, Ethereum, stable coins. Right? We have some use cases out there like, Monero, some few unicorns that just not going away. But they're done, man. The unicorn growth is done. Everyone's trying to look for that new unicorn growth. I don't have all the answers, friends, but I can tell you that during euphoria, you probably just want to be trimming back your portfolio back to BTC, ETH, USD anyway. You see that just during euphoria. So here's the thing, friends. Using a chain, using a product, it's the same as, using a crypto token as a store of value or a payment solution or whatever they are, okay? New and shiny keeps winning. It keeps winning. It's very vicious in this world. Crypto is cool, man, friends. But if you're early, you smash it because you're early. That's what we're here for. That's what we're all here for, friends. That's why I'm going to throw this to you, right? Bloomberg wrote an article about Richard Hart fighting the corrupt SEC in the court case trial. All right, think about this. I wrote this long article. They speak about it. They cover it, okay? Talking about Richard Hart and the noble fight against them, okay? And I just want to tell you right now, well, to me, hey, if I was an independent, rational, neutral investor going out there, I'm like, wait a minute, why is your token price all the way down here? Right here, why are you back at corrupt SEC levels after 9 months when you're down here? You're oversold. Pretty much you're oversold. Now, obviously, where's expensive? I don't know, friends. You can also see PulseX as well is doing this little rounded bottom, friends. You see how it's slow. See, this looks like a rounded bottom. Hopefully, man, we got a long way to go, but you get to see these, friends, as well. This is the PHEX, right? Well, 20% below 1 cent, which is just basically shocking, but it really is shocking. It needs to go a lot much higher. But hey, if GameStop could erase all that pain, I'm just showing this information, friends, as we dissect it real time. Because this type of stuff, people aren't paying attention. Why? Because, you know, the red candles, obviously we pay attention because we know, but other people out there, they're like, oh, well, I'm going to keep holding my Solana coin, even though it's been mentioned everywhere. Yeah, man, maybe a lot of the growth has been priced in. Maybe a lot of it keeps going, but how much? Some people, friends, they might be happy with the 2x from here. They might be happy for the 2 or 3x from here, and that's okay. We're obviously hunting for something more. Like, DickWifButt. Please, milady, please notice my diamond butt. This is literally the whole crypto industry right now. It's friends. This is your Pokemon, right? And everyone's trying to say, please, please notice it, please, please. No, that's literally it. We're all making fun of it. That's every crypto token, though, friends. That's literally every meme coin, every altcoin. Everything is just doing that same thing. Once you start to look at it like that, doesn't matter what the tech is, you start to see it. Doesn't matter what people say, okay? This is the Landwolf chart, friends. Still crawling up. Still crawling up. Remember, we nicely hit above this resistance. Right, what's this TA to be done? You know, we're gathering members. Telegram hits new amounts of people. There's also DickWifButt, friends. DickWifButt, I'll make another video maybe later, but someone in DickWifButt, someone sold $36,000 worth to go buy the top of GIF, which I'm going to show you right now, which then drops 40% on them. Okay, look, they sold their DickWifButt to buy this. Okay, and then it literally dunks. There's 67% there, so they probably dropped they probably bought it up here or something around here. So 40% down. So their 36K is only worth now 21K. Look, man, it's your money. You guys do what you want. Not financial advice. I don't do selling of coins to go buy something that's up 10,000x. By the way, that's how much it went up. 10,000x. Congratulations to everyone in it, but man, just like, yeah, can't do that, friends. You're gonna get wrecked. You know you get wrecked. That's everything that's happening in meme coins, friends. This weekend, we're gonna wait and see what happens. Plenty more to come. Make sure you like, subscribe. Catch you soon.